Consume honey and garlic for a week and experience the health improvements right away. Garlic is the most powerful natural antibiotic, with a delicious taste, and a myriad of medicinal properties. Apparently, this herb is a potent natural remedy in the treatment of high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, high fever, diarrhea, diabetes, chills, seasonal flu, osteoarthritis, fungus, bug stings, large prostatic bladder, strengthens the immune system, and it detoxifies the body. In a combination with turmeric and red onion, garlic is especially powerful and is incredibly helpful detoxification agent after chemotherapy. Garlic contains allicin, a potent ingredient that provides most of its beneficial properties. Yet, to use them, you should always use organic garlic. Crush it and leave it for 15 minutes to help the activation of this healthy component. On the other hand, honey is another miraculous natural product that offers countless health benefits. If you combine these two in a remedy known as the garlic tonic and consume it on a daily basis for a week, you will support overall health in many ways. Here is a recipe of another garlic remedy whose use effectively treats seasonal flu and common colds. Ingredients: 5 garlic cloves, half an onion, 1 tablespoon turmeric, the juice of 1 lime, apple cider vinegar, 2 red peppers, fresh. Instructions: add the onion in a 500 ml container with water. Then, add the garlic and peppers, turmeric and lime juice. In the end, add the apple cider vinegar and fill the container, by leaving only a centimeter to the top. Close it well and use it to relieve colds and flu symptoms. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.